Today we're going to talk about an awesome nanofish, the Ember Tetra. Now the Ember Tetra, or the Hyphosorbicron amandi, I'm putting the name on the screen because that was probably horrible, is an adorable little nanofish that is great for aquarists of all experience levels, beginner, moderate, old-time veterans that have been doing this forever. Now in the wild, they are going to be found most heavily concentrated in central Brazil, in the river basin, right here on the screen. And then they're going to be living in, backwater rivers, small, low current areas, very high amounts of vegetation in these places. They're going to be eating a combination of plants and small invertebrates. So they're an omnivore. They're an extremely peaceful fish, super compatible with other tank mates, so you can do a lot of different things with them. And one of the main draws with these guys is this bright pop of red that you're going to get. Hence the name Ember, because they do look like embers in a fire. Now they're only going to max out around about an inch in length, and they have a lifespan of about 2 to 4 years. So for a minimum tank size, I would say a 10-gallon will work pretty good if you want to do a group about 10 to 12 of them. But if you want some really awesome schooling activity out of them, I'd say go with a 20 and do a group of like 20 to 25, and you're in for a real good treat with that tank. Water temp wise, 72 to 84. Average about 76. pH, you can go 5 up to 7. Of course, they are from the Amazon, so they're going to like more acidic water. Think low 6s. Again, these fish are an omnivore, so pretty much anything you put in the tank, they're going to be good with. You can do things like extreme community crave, Hikari micropellets, freeze-dried bloodworms, Daphnia, all that good stuff. Even some bug bites if you get this small baby size. Pretty much anything you could think of, they're going to be fine with. Now again, for tank mates, super peaceful fish, can pretty much be paired with any non-aggressive species that are not going to be too big that can actually eat them. You could even do a simple tank, 20-gallon tank, group of 20 Ember Tetras and school 6 Cory cats. There's a great beginner tank for you right there with these guys. So overall, these are an awesome community fish. You could do a species-only fish. There's a great, well-rounded nanofish all together. They're hardy fish, easy to care for, don't require a very large tank, just a solid fish overall. I'm going to go ahead and give the Ember Tetras a 9 out of 10. As always, thank you all so much for watching the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your experience with Ember Tetras. If you've kept them, if you want to keep them in the future. If you kept them a long time ago, let me know how it went with them. Of course, leave a like on the video. And until the next one, I'll see you guys around.